with Susan Powell. Hello.
Thank you, Sophie. Good evening. The day improved quite nicely on the start of the week. Today we saw some sunshine in many areas, but tomorrow I'm afraid the wind and rain will return. In comparison to this time yesterday, it's actually quieter outside now for many of us. It was just so windy yesterday. The area of low pressure has now pulled away to the continent. We've still got the remnants of Brendan, remember him from the start of the week, towards the northwest, but our eye is now drawn down here towards the southwest for our next system coming in later in the night from the Atlantic. Ahead of that, clear skies. It is still quite breezy, windy for some, and quite a few showers packing into Scotland at the moment, but those will thin out through the night. The coolest part of the night actually in the next few hours. Through the course of the night, temperatures will start to rise as that weather system pushes in from the west, because we switch round to a southerly or southwesterly airstream. So for the likes of Glasgow, perhaps 7-8 degrees as we move into Thursday morning. Still a chance of a frost to the far north of Scotland. And as that weather system bumps into the colder air, there'll be some snow transiently across the hills, but the snow level will actually rise as the day goes by. Wet first thing for Scotland, then the rain easing for a time, and then our next band of heavy rain sweeps across Northern Ireland into Western England and Wales through the afternoon. Eastern areas look like they will stay essentially fine until later on in the afternoon. A few spots, maybe even until after dark, namely perhaps the far southeast of England and parts of East Anglia. It's a mild story, but a windy day to come across the UK again tomorrow, with a risk of gales in the west. That whole weather system, though, winds its way to the northeast of us as we move into Friday. We're left with a smaller weather system just running its way across England and Wales, but generally a calmer day. Lighter winds again and quite a bit of dry weather to come. Some of the showers, though, could give us a prolonged spell of rain for parts of England and Wales before they clear during the afternoon. A few more showers to the northwest of Scotland. A cooler feel, though, for Friday as we see temperatures returning to closer to where they should be, actually, for the time of year. And then finally, we look further ahead to the weekend, and I'm sure many people will be looking out for this, something more settled establishing itself across the UK. High pressure really begins to build through Saturday and Sunday. We can anticipate drier weather, lighter winds, more sunshine, but look out for the return of some quite frosty nights. The outlook for you, of course, is online.
Susan, thank you. And that's it from us. Now on BBC One, it's time for the news where you are. Goodbye.